Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. This eye look I just completed. It's up on YouTube, and now I got two packages I was waiting for. Well, I'm waiting for a couple others, but two came, and it's Amazon Prime. It just arrived, so I haven't taken off my stuff on it, so I just wanted to show. Okay. First it didn't look like it was it. It's Amazon Prime that came. It has my address on it, so I can show you. And then my Joann fabric box came in also, so I decided I'll just record my video now. And it is something new. It is something new. I used to do this a while back and I haven't done it in a long time, and I came across when I was doing my hair and I saw the latch hook. I was like, I used to do this. I'm gonna do it again, and I'll record a couple of it so you can see, but I'm going to start doing it again. It is very relaxing. It's a lot of fun. It's really fun. So let's open this box. This is what's in my box. Under this, oh, I got a 40% off a regular price item, same day pickup from Joann's. So I'll be able to use that again, maybe to get a better one. And then this. I'm not sure if you're aware what that is. Also from my Amazon. Let's open my Amazon. I'll open it from the bottom. From my Amazon, another one. Amazon one was more expensive. Again, here's the latch hook in there, but I have a nice sturdy red handle latch hook from when I used to do latch hooking. So this one is this. The Amazon one was more expensive. Let's see what I'll be making. I'll be making this one. The Amazon one is this. Hopefully you can see. That's the Amazon one. It's a hat, but it's spelled love. I'll be making that one. And then, you okay there? Oh, okay. I want to see what the Joann one looks like. This is the one of them from Joann's. Joann own package so much better than the Amazon one. And Joann own does not come with a latch hook because I guess they assume you have a latch hook. So that's, if you're a beginner that doesn't have any latch hooks home, you'd have to go to the store and buy one separate. So it doesn't come with a latch hook in it. But this is what it is going to look like when it's finished. That's the Joann own. Right? And the yarn looks like this. And this is where you do the latch hooking on. It is all color coordinated. Where the colors go, it shows you. And you latch hook on that. So I'll bring you a couple videos on my latch hooking. So those are my two, well, 3 latch hooks. These are my 2 Joanns. Remember, in the bucket does not have, before I say that, let me double check and make sure the other one doesn't have that. Checking to see if there's a latch hook in there. Okay, so there is no latch hook in the Joann's own. So Joann kit comes with this, which is the mesh and the stuff, the yarn, and the instructions on how to do it, but it does not come with a hook. The Amazon one comes with a hook. So if you're new to latch hooking and you order one of the kits from Joann, please remember to pick up a latch hook, because you are going to need it if you're gonna latch hook. And that was it for my short little video on my unboxing. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And remember, take a little time to relax when you're tired. Take some time and relax when you are tired. It will do the body good. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.